Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to show you my everyday 5-minute makeup routine when I just want to feel kind of put together and only have 5 minutes to get ready. So how I'm going to film this is I'm actually going to put a timer on my phone for 5 minutes, and I'm going to do my makeup in silence because when I'm talking about the products and the steps that I'm doing, that's what takes up time when I'm doing a tutorial. So I'm actually going to voice over this part. I also feel like everyone's 5-minute makeup routine might look a little different. For me, I like to focus a lot on the skin, just cover up my acne, any scars, brighten up my under eyes, things like that. So I am going to do this whole little makeup look within 5 minutes, and this isn't really like a 5-minute challenge. This is me actually showing you what I do if I only have 5 minutes to get ready. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Here is my before with absolutely no makeup on. I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes and get started. Hello, it is voice over me. So I started with the Saie Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. This product is so beautiful, and I've only used it a few times now, but it's kind of like a Charlotte Hollywood Flawless Filter, but I applied this all over my face for just a nice glow. I already had moisturizer on for my skincare routine that morning, so I was already hydrated and wanted just some glow all over my face with this Saie product. And then I went in with the Sigma Spectrum Color Correcting Duo in Light Medium. You guys know I've been obsessed with this product, and I applied it all under my eyes. I used a Sigma E28 Detail Buffer Brush to apply it. And then I wanted to add some coverage to my skin, but I don't want to wear like a tinted moisturizer or even a foundation, so I just use concealer. I use the Nars Soft Matte Concealer in Custard all over my face, and I'm applying that with the Sigma F64 Soft Blend Concealer Brush. So I just applied this on all of my blemishes on my face, lots on my cheek, got some on my forehead. I also applied a little bit under my eyes and along my nose, just to slightly balance out my skin tone. I know it's not going to be perfect, but I still want a little bit of coverage. And then I went in with a cream bronzer. I used the Saie Sunmelt in Light Bronze. I think this is my new favorite cream bronzer. It just applies so beautifully, and it's not like too pigmented, so it's really easy to just layer it and build it up. And for my brush, I'm using a Sigma F76 Chiseled Cheek Brush. So I'm applying this all along my forehead, along my cheeks and my jawline, a little bit on my nose for kind of that sun-kissed look. And then I went in with a cream blush. This is the Kaja Cutie Bento and Juicy Watermelon. This is a duo, and I use the top shade. It's just a beautiful natural color. I wear this blush almost every single day. And I just use that same brush I was using for the cream bronzer to apply it. And I also applied a little bit on the outer part of my eyelid just to add a little bit of contouring up there because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, but I don't want it to look so blank up there. And then I went in with the lighter color concealer. This is still the Nars Soft Matte Concealer, but I used the shade Vanilla just to, again, conceal any dark circles and brighten up this area. And then I just used a spoolie to brush through my brows and brush through my lashes. And then I did curl my lashes. I didn't put on any mascara today, but it just opens your eyes so much to curl your lashes. I know the curl will fall eventually, but I like how it looks. And then I added a tinted lip oil. This one's by Sigma. It's in the shade All Heart. And then I did add a clear brow gel to my brows. This is the Kosas Air Brow. And then I just kind of blended over everything one more time with that cheek brush I was using. Make sure my concealer's all blended in. There's no harsh lines, but I mean, I used all cream products, so everything blended in beautifully. And then I think I did do a little touch up here with the bronzer, and that was it. Done. All right, so that is my actual 5-minute pull myself together quick makeup look that just makes me feel a little more put together. My skin has some coverage to it, but it's still nice and glowy. I did use all cream products today, no powders, just because I feel like it takes a little bit more time and effort to blend powders into the skin. When you have creams on like this, like if my under eye starts creasing, I can just like tap it out like that. But if I had powder on, I wouldn't really be able to do that. So for something quick and simple, this is what I like to do. I would love to know what your 5-minute makeup look would look like. Are you like me where you focus more on the skin, or do you like to focus more on the eyes or the lips? Let me know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.